purchase treasury bills, the value of the treasury bill will be 23,000 and the face value will be 25,000. So at the time of returns, investors may get 25,000. So difference 2,000 will be the returns to the investors. And the second one, commercial paper. It is a short maturity, 15 days to 1 year, based on the buyers and sellers, which is issued by corporate in the form of promissory notes. So these commercial papers issued by the corporates, that is companies, in the form of promissory notes, and no prior approval of Reserve Bank of India is needed to issue commercial papers. There is no approval of Reserve Bank of India, and which is issued at a discount. So these commercial papers is always issued at a discount, and its face value is in multiple of rupees 5 lakh and needs to be rated by the issuing company. Fluctuating interest rates. So its interest rate is always fluctuates every day or every hour. The rate of the interest will be fluctuates. And the third one, certificate of deposit. A marketable document of title to a time deposit for a specified period is known as certificate of deposit. It takes the form of receipt given by a bank for funds deposited with it by the depositor. So the certificate of deposits are negotiable term deposit certificates issued by the commercial banks. So the commercial banks are going to issue the certificates of deposits to the investors, and these are the negotiable securities. That means which can be a transfer from one person to another person within a short period of time. So the certificate of deposits have very short period of maturity time, that is 7 days to 1 year, and the investors have to invest a very large amount, that is the minimum of rupees 1 lakh. So minimum of 1 lakh rupees have to invest if they want to invest into a certificates of deposits. And also a very important concept over here in the certificate of deposits are banks cannot buy back their own their own certificate of deposits before maturity. So before maturity of the security period, the bank cannot repurchase or buy back those securities, but the investors can sell those securities to the other people. Okay, and the fourth one, government securities. Government securities are the securities issued by the government for raising a public loan. Government securities are mostly interest bearing dated securities which are issued by Reserve Bank of India on behalf of Government of India, and these government securities are issued in the form of government promissory notes, bearer bonds, stocks or bonds, treasury bills or dated government securities. So these government securities are highly demandable securities. So the government securities have no default risk. There is less risk in the government securities, and high liquidity. High liquidity in the sense these securities we can convert into a cash immediately because of high demands. Interest payments on behalf of yearly basis on face value. So interest will be payable on each year based on the face value of the securities, and the rate of the interest and tenure of the security is fixed. It is always fixed. So today we have discussed about the money market and the instruments of money market. That means the securities of money market which are traded under the money market. So here in the money market, different securities are traded, but these four securities are very important, which is called as the securities or instruments of money market. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.